After so many adventures, now it's the time to explore the soul of India. So, my next destination is Varanasi. It's known as the spiritual capital of India. So, it's 8 pm, and right now I'm in Varanasi station. So, I'll be going to the hotel. I hope I will be reaching there by 9. So, I booked a hotel near Dasaswamedh Ghat. It's a very popular location. So this is the Varanasi station. It's really very colorful now. So when I last time when I visited Varanasi, the station was not like this. So it was very dull. I don't know it's a magic of Yogi government or not. So right now I will be going to the hotel, and from tomorrow onwards I will be starting my journey. A very good morning, friends. Right now I'm in Dasaswamedh Ghat. It's a very beautiful place. I'm just showing you. I think these pillars are newly painted and it's looking beautiful. So it's 12 p.m. right now. I'm planning to have my lunch. So this place is very crowded, and this is a junction place where you'll be getting temples, and I soon came across this very beautiful temple near Kashi Vishwanath Mandir, and this road is straight going to the Dasaswamedh Ghat, which is the Sandhya Aarti Ghat, and I chose this place for lodging because I love shopping. So here nearby there is plenty of markets, and you will be getting different foods like rabdi, lassi, etc, etc, and I'm gonna explore some special food in the evening. Guys, I was just searching for any better non-veg restaurant, but अफसोस यहाँ पे कोई non-veg restaurant नहीं है, and this is what I am getting everywhere, and I just hate this. तो यहाँ का वेज खाना उतना भी बुरा नहीं है. Dal, rice, roti, 2 types of sabzis, achar, and if you're coming with your partners, please avoid this. So it's evening 5 right now, and the entire Dasaswamedh Ghat is getting prepared for the Sandhya Aarti. So all of you know that Sandhya Aarti in Varanasi is very famous, and I am waiting for it. When I was a kid, I visited Varanasi. On that point of time, this ghat used to be very dirty, but now this ghat is very clean and well constructed, so that all the people coming from distant places, they can enjoy over here. They can enjoy the Sandhya Aarti. And the craziest thing is that every day, without any fail, in the same place and in same way and in same time, Sandhya Aarti happens in this ghat once in the evening and once in the early morning also. By the way, I'm a late riser, that's why I can't come here in early morning. They were telling that the morning Aarti happens at 4 a.m. So it's very early. So that's why I'm here in the Sandhya Aarti, and trust me, the ambience is really amazing and peaceful ambience. So now the Sandhya Aarti is finally over, and right now I'm searching for some Varanasi special sweets. When I was coming to the Dasashwamedh Ghat, and I saw some shops selling some malai, rabris, lassis, so I'm searching that only. Yes, finally I got it. This one is malai, and this one is, I guess, rabri. Yeah, this is rabri, and this looking so yummy. I can't control myself. This one is malai, and this one is rabri. This cost 15 and that malai is of 20. The smell is so yummy, and as if when I was coming, as if the smell only dragged me to this shop. So right now I'm having one malai and one rabri.
Wait a minute.
ভারতীয় গরুর বৈশিষ্ট্য হচ্ছে তার দুধের মধ্যে সোনার ভাগ থাকে, সেজন্য দুধের রং একটু হলদে হয়।
So apart from these things, there are many food items you will be getting in Varanasi. So these things are available in our place also. That's why I'm not having this. But tomorrow I'm gonna have again this rabri and malai, because I just loved it. And if you come to Varanasi, please try this rabri and malai. You will definitely love this. So after wandering here and there, finally I got a non-veg restaurant, and this is a Bengali restaurant, Jolajog, and here you will be getting non-veg.